Welcome to Math 95. This is the first lecture video for Module 1, Lesson 1. In Module 1, Lesson 1, you'll be talking about inductive and deductive reasoning. These are techniques that can help you solve problems logically. Let's start with deductive reasoning. Deductive reasoning starts with a general hypothesis and then works down to the specifics. For example, let's say that our hypothesis is all spiders have 9 legs. Well, then we can look and say, well, a black widow is a spider, so a black widow can have 9 legs. And that's true. But you got to be careful, make sure that your hypothesis is true. Because if your hypothesis is not true, then it can sound logical, but it really isn't. Now let's talk about inductive reasoning. Inductive reasoning starts with specifics and then works its way up to a general premise. Sometimes inductive reasoning isn't true, but can be tested with deductive reasoning. But sometimes it is true. For example, let's think. Maybe we can say that a king cobra is poisonous, has venom. So a king cobra is a snake, so all snakes have venom. Well, that's not true. But we can start and we can use deductive reasoning to see why that's not true. But sometimes inductive reasoning is true. Both are valuable tools. And in this lesson, you'll see how you can use these valuable tools to be a better problem solver in mathematics. Enjoy the lesson.